When you twist the throttle, you choose to go confidently in the direction of your dreams, trading the comfort zone for the open road. The freedom of the ride strips away the noise, forcing massive self-growth with every challenging mile through Vietnam. You'll find an unbreakable brotherhood forged in shared grit alongside your mates. Stop idling and start living the adventure that defines you. Join us for your epic Vietnam motorcycle tour in 2026.